this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to create your own collage mood board, and I would like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I love creating a mood board before I start a creative project because it helps me to organize my ideas and to start visualizing the aesthetic of the project. A mood board is essentially a collection of images that represent a cohesive theme, which can help inspire whatever project you're working on. The first version that I want to show you is a mood board on your wall. This is perfect to create above your desk so that you can reference the colors and the themes while you're working on your project. I love going through old catalogs and magazines to find images to use for the collage. I look for pages with pretty colors or fonts or textures. It's also fun to bring in other elements like old book pages or newspapers or vintage ephemera. Start pairing together pages that complement each other and then tape them to your wall. I don't like to plan this ahead of time, I just like to see where the collage will go because it often changes from the first idea that I had. And washi tape is perfect for this because you don't have to worry about damaging your wall. If you want to add words or quotes to the collage, you could consider printing out some text. I took a quote that I found online, I typed it in a document, printed it, and then cut out the individual letters to tape to my wall. It's so much fun to create a collage on your wall because you have such a large canvas to work with. Plus, this could be a pretty decoration for your workspace. My collage was very much inspired by a springtime color palette with lots of dreamy and ethereal images. Another fun idea for this wall mood board is to use it as a backdrop in your photos. I think it looks really pretty blurred in the background. Before I continue with the second mood board idea, I just want to talk a little bit about the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes on so many fun and creative topics, and I love that the videos don't have ads, so you can just sit down, watch the video, and stay focused on what you're trying to learn. I recently started learning how to use oil pastels, and I've been loving the Oil Pastels Bootcamp by Jen Dixon. It's just been a really great way for me to dive into a new hobby, especially during this time where we're all stuck inside and need a creative way to fill our time. And Skillshare is less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. They have so many other classes as well to help you learn anything from illustration to video editing and even interior design. And I'm so excited to say that the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 2-month free trial of the premium membership, so you can explore your creativity. Skillshare is just a really fun and fulfilling way to spend your free time and to learn something new, so I definitely encourage you to check them out. Alright, so next I want to share another mood board idea, this time collaging the front of a sketchbook or notebook. If you're starting a big creative project, you can create a custom notebook to organize all of your ideas or sketches, and the front cover will represent the theme or the aesthetic of the project. And this is just a fun way to decorate the front of your sketchbook, whether or not you have a specific project in mind. I love keeping a torn edge on some of my pages to add a bit of texture to the collage. I kept this mood board more abstract, and I layered pretty colors and fonts that inspired me. And of course, I finished this off with some little star sequins. I would love to see your collage mood board if you decide to make one, so tag me in your photos on Instagram so I can check them out. I hope you have fun creating your mood boards, and I will see you with a new video very soon.